In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get live stock prices in Google Sheets using the Google Finance function. To get started, open Google Sheets in Google Chrome and create a new spreadsheet, or open one you already have ready to use. Once your sheet is open, click on any empty cell. This is where the stock price will appear, so choose a spot that's easy to find and leaves you room in case you want to add more data later. Now in that empty cell, type the following formula exactly as shown. Equals Google Finance, open parenthesis, quotation mark, NASDAQ colon, AAPL, quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, price, quotation mark, and then close parenthesis. Written out, the formula should look like this. Google Finance, NASDAQ AAAPL, price. This formula tells Google Sheets to pull financial data for Apple stock which trades on the NASDAQ exchange under the ticker symbol AAPL. The second part, price, specifies that you want the current stock price. It's important to type the formula carefully, including the quotation marks, comma, and parentheses, because even a small formatting mistake can prevent it from working correctly. After you've entered the formula, press enter on your keyboard. Google Sheets will then process the request and display the live stock price directly in that cell. In most cases, the value appears almost immediately. If it takes a moment, that's normal, since the sheet may need a second to retrieve the latest market data. Once the price appears, you've successfully connected your spreadsheet to live financial information. This can be very useful if you're tracking investments, building a market dashboard, or just learning how spreadsheet formulas work with real-time data. Keep in mind that the data may not always be tick by tick in the same way as a trading platform, but it's an excellent tool for monitoring general price updates inside a spreadsheet. If the formula doesn't return a result, double check that you typed everything exactly right and that you're connected to the internet. Also, make sure you're using Google Sheets since this function is specific to that platform. That's all it takes. With one simple formula, you can display livestock data in Google Sheets and start turning a basic spreadsheet into a much more useful financial tracking tool.